Welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing the ultimate luxury gift box from Estee Lauder. So let's start unboxing this ultimate gift box. Wow! As always, Estee Lauder never disappoints in packaging. Beautiful luxury packaging. Got here some couple of sample products. At the time of placing the order, you can choose what all samples you would like to include in your order. And here is the main box. Before I begin unboxing this luxury gift box, I would like to mention this is not a paid promotion. I have purchased these products from the Estee Lauder website for personal use. I have ordered this Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix from Estee Lauder. This is one of their best-selling products. This Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix helps reduce multiple concerns of the eyes, such as lines, wrinkles, puffiness, and dark circles. It includes a cooling, custom-designed massage applicator. You can use it during the day and night too. This is the second product from Estee Lauder. It's a lip repair potion. You can use it at night. Finally, we are getting started to unbox the ultimate luxury gift box. Go to the Estee Lauder website for the amazing products that they have to offer. They have options for trial size products as well. So if you don't want to invest into a full size of the product, you can choose to buy a trial size. Once you're convinced, then you can go for the full size of the product. Ideal option to pamper yourself or gift it to your loved ones. This product includes 7 full size of the bestsellers from Estee Lauder. As you can see the list here, you have the Pure Color eyeshadow palette. You have the 24-hour waterproof eye gel pencil. You have the sculpting lipstick. There's a lip shine. There's a mascara. And the other bestseller skincare products from the Advanced Night Repair range and Revitalizing Supreme Plus. Also comes with a full-size makeup remover and a very trendy travel bag. I'll open each of the products and show you. You can see it's a beautiful red color, very festive and very rich looking travel case. And the size is also a very good size. You can use it to keep all of your favorite products in your vanity. So let's open. Nice golden star detailing which adds a nice glam factor. Products are very nicely wrapped. I'll unwrap all these products and show you in detail. So finally, here are all the products which come in the ultimate gift box from Estee Lauder. Starting with the skincare range, the Advanced Night Repair, one of the best-selling products from Estee Lauder. You need to try these products to understand how beneficial these are. You should definitely and experience the product. This is the Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel. Revitalizing Supreme Plus. The Gentle Makeup Remover. We have a beautiful red lipstick here, which has got a beautiful detailing. Two shades of lipstick. There's a beautiful red here and there's a nude shade here. And we have a full size eye pencil in the shade black. This is the lip gloss. And the mascara. And this is the eyeshadow palette, in which you get about 9 shades. It's a good assortment of shades which you can use on daily basis and for some special occasions. It's got a beautiful glitter golden shade here. Let's start with the mascara. Lip gloss. Very beautiful shade. Depending on how many coats you apply, you can get the desired shade. I've applied a thin layer and still the product is well pigmented to give you a nice coat on your lips. This looks quite bright on the outside, but when you actually apply the product, it's quite light. Depending on how many coats you wish to apply, you can get the desired color, as you can see here. It's a high shine lipstick. Sorry, not a lipstick, a lip gloss. Next coming to is the pencil. It's an eye pencil. You can use it as an eyeliner. It's a very soft product and it just glides on your skin and it will be very gentle on your eyes. The brand of Estee Lauder is such that I don't need to speak much about the product. The brand itself speaks volumes of the quality that you get. It comes, there are 2 lipsticks that come with this. There's this nude shade. It's got a very beautiful detailing at the back here. You can use this shade on an everyday purpose. One of the lipsticks in this collection comes in the shade of 340 NBS. It's a beautiful red shade. And it's got a beautiful detailing here of the snowflake all around. Very Christmassy, very festive. Beautiful collection if you want to buy for yourself, or very ideal to gift it to your loved ones. The next shade we have here is 440 Irresistible. It's a very good everyday shade. It's a nude shade, again with the similar detailing. These are the two beautiful shades. eyeshadow palette. It's a combination of beautiful shades which you can use for everyday or any special occasions as well. You have this golden shimmery shade with which you can glam up your look, or add a smokiness with this dark shade here. All of these shades are very beautiful shades and suitable for all skin types. Let's try the shade of the red lipstick. Even though this color looks bright, on application it doesn't really give you a very high dark shade. Depending on what tone you wish to achieve, you can apply more or less coats. I have applied a very light coat here and it's giving me a nice pink tint. If I apply multiple coats, I will be able to get a more brighter shade. You can see the shade here. This is a little lighter and this is slightly dark because I've applied the second coat on this. Let's try this nude shade. It's a very smooth finish. It's a beautiful nude shade, perfect for everyday use. It has got a very nice luster. See how beautiful this shade looks. It's definitely a must-have for everyday use. So these are all the products that come in a beautiful travel case. It's called the Ultimate Gift Box from Estee Lauder. All the products that are available in the Ultimate Gift Box from Estee Lauder. You must definitely try and explore this particular box, either for yourself or it's an excellent option to gift it to your loved ones on festive occasions. I hope you like the product review today. I hope you like these products. Do try some of them if you do not get the Ultimate Gift Box, because in between the gift box was out of stock. It's currently available on the Estee Lauder website. Just in case if it's out of stock, then you should definitely try at least a few of these products which are available. You can buy individual products. If you buy them, do share your feedback with me. Let me know what you have bought from Estee Lauder and which of these is your favorite. I'll be looking forward to your comments. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, subscribe and share. Looking forward to your comments. If you would like me to review any other products, do leave a comment below. Thank you.